fine lines and wrinkles on forehead in just 2 to 3 days naturally. So first I'm going to share with you a smart natural solution that will help remove wrinkles and fine lines on forehead quickly, and then one acupressure point to relieve stress and anxiety and to prevent wrinkles formation, and finally to forehead massage technique that you can follow along with this remedy to eliminate all wrinkles, smooth lines on forehead and to prevent further occurrence. So first we'll prepare the natural cream to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So in a bowl add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. So here I'm using ready-made aloe vera gel. It's one of the magical gel and also known as the fountain of youth. Enriched with multivitamins, it helps in the reduction of lines and wrinkles. Then add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Vaseline is another great way to smooth skin and erase lines. Then add 1 small teaspoon of glycerin, a humectant that keeps skin moist and helps fight different signs of aging. And finally, the content of 1 vitamin E capsule, a powerful antioxidant that prevents skin discoloration and tightens sagging skin. Mix it well and keep aside. You also need a sellotape. So you might be thinking what we'll do with the sellotape. Don't worry, just keep watching. So first apply a thick layer of this paste on your forehead. Now here comes the trick. Apply the sellotape on the area where you have fine lines. Just press gently. So once you're done with the process, just go to bed and relax. It depends on you. If you want to see an instant reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, then leave it overnight. Or if you're not comfortable using it overnight, then you can use it for an hour. If you use it overnight in the morning, you will notice a great reduction in your fine lines, and also your forehead will appear extremely smooth, bright and tight. So now I'll show you the acupressure point to relieve stress and anxiety and to prevent the formation of wrinkles and fine lines on forehead. So first sit comfortably. Now using your index finger or thumb, touch the spot between your eyebrows. Close your eyes and relax. Take slow deep breaths and apply gentle firm pressure in a circular motion for 2 minutes. Applying pressure to this point is said to help with both anxiety, stress and prevent formation of fine lines. Do this daily before bedtime. This will instantly relax and calm your mind and will help prevent fine lines and wrinkles. So now I'm going to share with you 2 massage techniques to erase wrinkles. So first we'll prepare the oil blend. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cold pressed coconut oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Both these oils are powerful anti-aging super moisturizing oils. Mix it well. Before starting any of the following massage technique, apply the oil blend on your forehead. Make sure it is warm. So the first massage technique is stroking out the forehead. Place your fingertips together in the middle of your forehead. Then press firmly and glide out to the sides. Lift the fingers off. Return to the starting position and repeat for 5 to 7 times. This movement smooths out the lines and wrinkles on your forehead. Now the second massage technique is alternate upward strokes on the forehead. Now using the fingertips, or you can also use the palms of your hands, one after the other, stroke firmly and slowly up the forehead using alternate movements. This will smooth out lines. It is also very soothing for headache and eye strain. Repeat the movements for a minute. So friends, you can simply follow the smart trick to get rid of fine lines, or you can use it in combination with the massage technique and acupressure point to eliminate all wrinkles and also to prevent the formation. So friends, try it and do share your results with me. If you found this video useful, subscribe and share it with your friends.